Hi, my name is Cash McConnell and I'm a sales associate here at Mercedes-Benz of Bend. And today we're going to be demonstrating on how to pair your phone to the car. So to connect your phone to the car, you just have to go to the phone app on the car's screen. You want to hit the little screens right here, and that will take you to the settings where you can connect. So now it's searching for phones available. So then on your phone, you just go to your settings, you go to Bluetooth, and then once it pops up right there, so I just hit connect on my phone, and then I hit this. So now it's asking you to confirm the codes on both your phone and the screen, so you just hit pair, and yes. And then this is asking if you are allowing the phone to sync all of your contacts to the car, and you want to hit allow. And then right there where it's the MBUX 99378, that is this car, and we are connected. And so now my phone is paired to the car, and you can tell because it says Cash's iPhone right here. And then up here in the top right corner, it shows that you have 3 bars. And then if you go into this, you can access all your contacts. So then to connect the second phone, you just go to this. The little screen, the little double phones right here, you click on those. And then you just click right here, and you can pair up to 8 other phones to the car. So you will have to go through that same process that we just did for every phone. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to pair your phone. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call here at Mercedes-Benz of Bend.
Kendall, let's start something great.